Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to Lucky Trader YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss tomorrow's Bank Nifty prediction, and next week the Bank Nifty how the moment will be happen on and Nifty momentum also will discuss today, and at what levels we need to buy or at what levels we need to sell. Those things will be discussed today. Okay, so friends, this is our Lucky Trader YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press a bell icon so that you will get a new updates on upcoming days. Okay, going to the charts now. It is a bank nifty 5 minutes chart. You are seeing that now bank nifty 5 minutes chart and 1 hour chart and 1 day chart. So we'll discuss on 1 day chart. Now the bank nifty was from last 2 days. Bank nifty was showing a huge volatility in the market. So from last 2 sessions back, we expected market to go down at this particular point. But market was happen huge gap up rally on the next day, though, so that after that we don't have any opportunity to buy at this particular levels. So maybe the if you know the technicals very well, then you can take a short entries. So there is no retailers are bought on this particular point. So after that, the next day also my bank nifty was opened a huge gap up. So it is the gap up was happen. So in this last previous session also, the candle, if you see, this is looks like a shooting star candle in the day chart. So now what I observed in the charts, there is a gap in upside also. So if you see here, it's in the range. It's a gap up, gap down at previous days. So the market was holding at below of the gap down, gap area. So this gap may takes a resistance for upcoming days. Okay, which is 37,300 levels to 36,700. It is a gap. So in this gap may take a resistance, and market may take a u-turn on downside. So I'm expecting this week market may in the range in between this um, 30 37,000 to 36,000 to 36,000 range. Market will be holding the price. Okay, so going to the 5 minute charts. So in a 5 minute chart, see, last time I in the live trade session I was explained that this is a rising wedge pattern. So I found this rising wedge pattern on the regular basic regular option for option buying. So it's a this is the rising wedge pattern. So I found this whenever this breakout was happen, I have observed that, and afterwards that there is a retracement was happen. So in that retracement we have taken a short call. So after that, you know very well that how much we have get in the market. Because of the expiry, and there is a huge volatility upside. So and also we are in the opposite side, so we don't want to take any risk. So then that on that case I have booked the profits on these levels. Okay, after that market went up, and after that it came down. So when I said that today the market will go down up to 200 points in the end, so which was happen in the 200 points in the live trade sessions. Okay, so because of the expiry we don't want to take any risk on this. Okay, so this is bank nifty. If for tomorrow, for Monday, if bank nifty wants to go upside, then the market should be break this particular top side levels of the yesterday's close, yesterday's top levels. Okay, so if it is if 1 minute. See, this is the top which, so market, if Monday market wants to go upside, then this level whatever it's showing here, that 36,610 levels, it need to be a break upside. Then we can expect that market wants to go up to this level 37,000 36,700, and if it is sustained and if it is broken upside, then upside, then we need to expect that market wants to stay at this inside of these levels. So after that, if you see any breakdowns, or if you see any trend line breakdown, then you can plan for short side. Short side, okay. So up to that, there is no short sides levels. Okay, so one more thing, that market wants to take, it's actually from 2 days it is in the gap up, and also last trading session also it was the gap up. So it's like that, there is no chance to trade a retailer. So okay, so where the retailer wants to buy, okay, so it's not given any chance to the retailer. So market don't like to go like such things, so it may take a rest and afterwards it comes down also. Okay, so be careful on that. So now it's the sign to book profits. You should afterwards, if it is comes down, then take a buying side. Okay, so going to the nifty chart, we'll discuss nifty on day chart. What was the situations. So see, Nifty all, I said what I said, that it's in the channel, and afterwards it was broken down upside. So I expected market to go upside. Then I have given the levels for in the market weekly levels. So which it was met in 17,200 above 17,200 levels. So what the next day what was happened? It's a big red candle which was formed in the day, so which the manipulation was happened. So all retailers are gone outside. So after that, the big players came into the picture, and they pushed the price upside. So always it will be happens like this, so we should have to take care of ourselves. Okay, now it's in the it is now nifty have a chance to go upside of 17,500 levels in upcoming days. So it may take 17,500 levels, it may take a resistance, and afterwards it comes down to up to this 17,000 level. Okay, so what we expected in this week, the nifty will be in the range between 500 points this week. Okay, so plan accordingly to that, so that will be trade very well. Okay, thank you so much, friends. If you like this video, please give a likes, and I'm expecting to 100 likes for this video. So thanks.